But one of my daughters had a really bad case of eczema and we couldn't find any solution for the problem. I tried everything. I did everything that I can do. I tried to get all the skin creams. I even tried to get CBD cream. Nothing worked. You know, the shea butters, the aloe vera oils, nothing worked. And it was really frustrating. It was a really hard time for me, but really for her. She was crying every day, scratching her skin, bleeding. So anybody that has eczema, you want to make sure that you have a working shower filter, all right? And again, we wanted to make sure that it was so easy, so simple to install that anybody can do it, any age, any size. I'm not the tallest guy, but even I can do this. I don't have any tools. Hey, I don't have any tools, but we'll go ahead and install this real quick. It takes like 2 minutes. So all you have to do is grab the shower filter, just like this. And we already have some tape here. If you don't have any tape right here, go ahead and just round about in a circular motion, just to make sure that everything is nice and tight, all right? Then you go ahead and just screw this in. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. I think we all should know that. Boom. And then you just make sure it's nice and tight. Go ahead and put this here back on. Ooh. And one other thing that I do want to mention when it comes to all these different chemicals and toxins that we have in this water, it creates uremia in the body. So for anybody that is trying to just be more healthy, conscious about what you're doing on a daily basis, people have no idea that toxic backlogging in the body creates the visceral fat that is deep within the organs of the body, because your body wants to protect itself from these hazardous chemicals that we have in the water. Hey guys, I know that you know what chlorine is, but don't get it twisted. Chlorine is one of the most dangerous things that we have in the water, not only because it creates all the problems that it has all by itself, but it creates byproducts in the water. Byproducts are things that are mixing in with chlorine, and it basically just soups it up and enhances the water into something totally new, basically creating a whole nother monster, which is what chromium-6 is, if you have ever heard of that. So let's go ahead and squeeze this all the way back on. But what I was trying to say is, if anybody's trying to lose any type of, body weight, if you're trying to just get in better shape, it's going to be a lot more difficult if you're intaking all these toxins into the body, and then your body has to fight that. You can do all the crunches in the world, you can do all the exercises. That's going to get off the top layer of fat, sure. But when it comes to the visceral fat, the deep fat, the fat that your body's actually producing to protect you, you're not going to be able to do that if you're intaking and constantly putting in more of these toxins inside the body. So let's go ahead and turn this on, see what we got. When you turn on the shower, what you should see is a little bit of black color that comes out.